What's up, YouTube? This your boy Diamond Tooth Bandit, aka Mr. Dump the Clip. Today we looking at the 12 gauge Mossberg Pistol Grip Pump Persuader 500. This is where the safety is in the back of the gun. Safety on, safety off. Remember, red means you dead. Don't forget it. This is how you cock it back. Load it up. Let's go. Nice slide. This is what you want for that close range action. Buckshot and slugs all day. How motherfucker flying through the window. This is actually a good bang for your buck and really durable. You'll like it.